Everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about all of this new makeup and also skincare that I am absolutely loving. I've had quite a few new bits in, so I just thought I would show you, and I'm also going to do some cutaways of me applying some of these products as well. First product that I've had in that is brand new to me but is also a favourite is this Morphe Solo Artist Shadow in the shade Airplay. This is like a cream shadow and I've been using it as a base for my eyeshadows. As you can see, it looks like a pot concealer, but it's actually an eyeshadow. And it's really, really good for like priming your eyelids before you put your eyeshadow on. And it's just been really helping my eyeshadow not to crease or go across my face during the day. And it just helps it stay on really, really well. So that's a favourite. And now guys, the next product. Oh my God, look how stunning this is. Look at it. This is the Natasha Denona Bloom palette. Now, there's a bit of a story behind why I got this. So basically, I had the Charlotte Tilbury palette that was like one of the long rose gold palettes, and it was called Purito, and it had all these peachy, gorgeous like burgundy reds and stuff like that in. And I was just like, do you know what? I need to get a new one. But unfortunately, it's discontinued. So I thought, this is a bit of me. Look at this. This is a bit of me. I've got it on my eyes today, and as you'll see in the cutaway, me applying it. And these shades are right up my alley. Like, I just feel like these really suit me, and I just think they look great on my eyes as well. They bring out the green in my eyes. Yeah, this palette is just a new fave, but also look at how pretty it is. I do think that it would have been good if they could have had some like dried flowers, maybe, in the front. I was thinking about that the other day and I thought that's what I would have done, but it's just like a acetate kind of plastic that with like a flower on the front. But oh, it's so gorgeous, and these colours are just absolutely stunning. Look at that. Stunning. So to go with that palette, I actually got this liner. This is YSL and this is called Lines Liberated Waterproof Eye Pencil in the shade 4, and it's like a burgundy colour but it's got a little bit of a shimmer to it. You'll see in the cutaway me applying this. It's absolutely gorgeous and it does stay on. Like, my eyes water so badly during the day. I don't know if it's like allergies or something, but I love this. I think this goes on so smooth and it just doesn't come off. Like, you could rub your eyes and I think it'd just stay on. It's that waterproof. I really, really am enjoying that. So I've only had it like a few days, but I've used it every day since I've got it, and yeah, I really like it. Next up on my list of new stuff, so I've only had this and used it once, so in the cutaway you'll see me using this like for the first time. But this is the Revolution Wrap Lash Mega Extension and Volume Tubing Mascara. Like I said previously, my eyes water so badly during the day, and sometimes I'll get like little dots under my eyes of like mascara. So I wanted to try a new mascara that wouldn't run everywhere, and this one claims to be fully waterproof, doesn't come off until you take it off with hot water. And I've seen some reviews on this. It was in the black shade, the reviews that I saw, but this one's in the burgundy because I wanted it to go with my burgundy eyeliner, and I just think it looks so nice with my green eyes, like it kind of makes them pop. I just decided to get that, and the wand reminds me of something. And I've got it on today and it looks really, really good, and it's not gone anywhere yet, so there's hopes for that. This isn't a brand new product that I've bought recently, but I've had it in the drawer for a while and just not really been using it. And then I used it for the last week and I was like, why have I not been using this? My skin looks incredible. This is the Purito Seeker Clearing CC BB Cream, and this in the shade Light Beige, and it says healthy looking glow, flawless coverage. This is like a Korean BB cream basically. But this stuff looks absolutely incredible on my skin, and I don't know what it is, but it comes out like a little bit grey and you're like, whoa, that's not going to match me. But then as soon as I blend it out, it does, and I don't understand that, but there we are. I've got it on my skin, and you'll see in the cutaway it looks grey, but then you blend it out and it looks stunning, and it just makes my skin so glowy, and it's really hydrating as well, and I really, really love this. It's also vegan as well, so you know, if you are a vegan, kind of like me, then yeah, you will be able to use this. As you can see on the back, it's all in Korean as well. So yeah, this is a really good product and I'm really enjoying it. So next is, it's not new to me, but I've had it before and then I'd forgotten how good it was, is the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder, but this is in the shade Rose. This wasn't available anywhere for ages for some reason. I don't know if they launched it in Asia first because it's got like a lighter shade and then they just decided to, you know, bring it back to the UK. But this is incredible. Look at my under eyes. They just look stunning. And it's this, and I've been using the Huda Beauty powder, but it ran out, so I decided I was going to treat myself and I got this. I don't think I'll use a different powder now because I absolutely love this. I love how it sits under my eyes as well. It just doesn't enhance anything and it just sets everything really nice, and it's a really good shade for me because I'm so fair. Next up, this is a new product. This was on recommendation from somebody I follow, Nikki LaRose on YouTube, and she was saying this is her favourite bronzer now. I've been using this for a few days ever since I got it, and it just goes on really smoothly and it just looks absolutely incredible on the skin, and it's got a glow to it as well. I got quite a dark shade, but it doesn't look dark on my skin, so come on Dior, get some more shades. But look at the packaging, look at that. It looks like a little tan leather handbag. How stunning is that? I've been loving this since I got it. This is the shade. It's not dark at all, it's shade 4 warm, and it's the glowy one. I think it looks really pretty on the skin. It's just really soft and it blends really nicely. Got it all over my forehead here, and it's just, I love it, it's so nice. Stunning product. Now, I've been eyeing this up a good few months. I was like, I'm gonna bite the bullet, and then I realised I had a Cult Beauty voucher, and then I also had some status points as well. So I actually got this for about £20, which is so funny, but yeah, I've been eyeing it up for ages, and then I was like, I'm gonna go for it because, you know, it's cheap. But it's not actually cheap. I think it's supposed to be £49. So this is the Hot Escape Cheek Palette from NARS. I got the shade Fair, or number 1. But look at this, guys. How incredible. Look at that, how stunning. Oh, she's delectable, isn't she? These two shades here are blushes. This is a highlighter, and then this is a bronzer. I believe this is Laguna shade 1, and then this is a new blush, a new highlight. So these are all new shades, I believe, and then that's the Laguna number 1. But look at it, how pretty is that? And I love the packaging as well because it's got like a deck chair theme for summer, and I'm definitely going to be taking this on my next holiday. This particular shade here, I've got it on my cheeks today, and it's just my fave. Do you know, if they bring this out as a single, I'm buying it. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Guys, if you haven't already, go and get yourself one of these. The shades in there are absolutely stunning. So next up, I've tried these before from Fenty Beauty, and I had the shade Riri and Thugs Blush 2. I liked Thugs Blush 2 because it was a little bit lighter, but had a little bit of like a nudie brown shade to it. But then I saw that they brought out some new shades like deeper and lighter, which I thought was really clever. So this is the Fenty Beauty Traced Out Lip Liner, and this is the shade BubbleTini. I've got this on my lips now with a little bit of gloss over the top, and I just think this is the perfect shade if you've got fair skin. It just looks incredible on the lips. It's just so nice. And it is sharpenable as well. So I have just sharpened mine today actually, because I think some people were confused and thought that you twisted it up, but you don't. And it's that kind of liner where you put it on and it sets and then it doesn't budge and it just doesn't go anywhere. Like I can wear this and you won't know that, like I've literally just put it on the once. Like it's so pigmented. Really good liner if you want to try a Fenty liner. Next up is a skincare product. So I've had this a few months now and I've been testing quite a few SPFs because obviously I've been on holiday for my wedding anniversary and I wanted to try a new SPF, and I used this on my face and my body and I was very impressed. So this is the Garnier for sun allergic skin, which is me, and this is the Sensitive Advanced Serum SPF 50 UVA UVB long UVA for face and body, water resistant. So it's this one here, and it's in the tube, but it's got like a little cap that you twist and to open it. This goes on under makeup, absolutely stunning. It's moisturising, so I don't need to use a moisturiser separately. I just use this as my moisturiser. On holiday, it was incredible. I didn't burn. I got some freckles, obviously, but I didn't burn. I put this on every few hours, just slapped it on, and it's so lightweight, but it's hydrating. and I didn't feel sticky or horrible. This was on offer, I believe. It was half price, so I think it's supposed to be £20, but you can get it for £10 with your Boots Advantage card, I believe. Oh my God, this is a new fave, and I think, don't quote me on this guys, but I think it might overtake my Fenty Hydra Visor. Will it? I don't know. But I've been using this when it's been really, really hot and sunny. Whereas the Hydra Visor, I use that during the winter time because it's still got a 30. I mean, I like to use a 50. So if they could make the Hydra Visor a 50, I'd go back to that, but they haven't. So this is a new fave, and it's also nearly finished, and I'm quite sad about that. Next up, not new to me, but this is the Super Facialist. Look how much I've used of it. Super Facialist Vitamin C Brighten Skin Renew Cleansing Oil, and this has got olive oil and grapeseed oils, and it's a super glow on it. You get 200 mils, and I think I paid about £9 for this. It's also vegan and cruelty free as well. This product, if you've never tried it, you need to try it to get your makeup off. It's absolutely sensational, I would say, sensational. I have a full face now. I can go to the sink and I'm absolutely shattered at the end of the day. I can rub this all over my face and within 2 seconds flat, all of this makeup is gone. All of my sunscreen is gone and all of my skincare is gone. And it's just gone. Clean, but it's not squeaky, you know? And also, it smells like oranges, guys. I don't know about having vitamin C in a cleanser because it just kind of goes on your face and takes your makeup off, but because I'd rather put vitamin C on my face and it stay on my face in a serum, if you know what I mean. This, incredible for removing makeup. If you've not tried it, guys, go and get it. It's very cheap and it's very cheerful in my eyes. So guys, that concludes my video. I did just want to say I had some really good news today. My friend has given birth and I'm really, really excited to meet the baby. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe if you haven't already. We're now on, I believe, 108 subscribers, which is, you know, amazing. I'm always grateful to you guys for all of your comments, all of the likes, and all of the love. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.